There is a widespread misconception that life insurance is only used for its death benefit. Now, while the death benefit is the essential component of life insurance, there are many ways that permanent life insurance can be a valuable resource for you over the course of your life. Now, while you're alive, that is. And we call those living benefits of the life insurance sector. Okay, and they can be significant. The secret behind these living benefits is cash. Permanent life insurance is a tremendous vehicle for accumulating cash value. The growth of a policy's cash value is guaranteed. It's laid out in the terms of the initial contract. Few things in life have these sorts of guarantees behind them, guys. The stock market certainly doesn't. Okay, in today's low rate environment, even banks aren't a guaranteed way to grow your money. And as we all know, cash is king. So having your cash at your disposal enables you to do so much more in life that you otherwise wouldn't be able to do, such as putting a down payment on a house, launching a business, being able to aid and assist children who are going to school, private school, have a much wealthier overall strategic mindset as you go about navigating through these sectors. That's my favorite part of it. Yeah, true enough, we can start a business. It's we can save money for college. We can do a down payment on a home, or perhaps even pay it off. But also, this strategic wealth building is king for me. Again, without relying heavily on the stock market. Okay, there are so many financial tools that we can get involved with, that we can use to engage in such things, and we're going to revisit this. I want to take you over here to this part right here. This is the company that I like to use. The living benefits riders are added automatically at no additional cost. Okay, so that's one of the highlights of this particular company, this carrier that I prefer to use when I'm going over living benefits. Living benefits can be, as the name entails, used right away. Once you have established enough cash in them, you can surrender it and you can use it to your benefit. What you were seeing here just now was a plan that I was working on for demonstration purposes. Now, we'll say this person's a non-smoker. Their birthday's tomorrow, young person, right? Let's see. That accidental death benefits here. I mean, we're just going to keep a lot of this stuff very basic. The table rating, we'll give them 125%. We'll do it there as well. Now that's going to boost up the premium just a bit, perhaps. 150,000 on the face. He's going to pay monthly. Let's refresh it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I didn't do too much anything. Now let's go to the result details. Now you see here the modal premium. That's what this person's paying on a monthly basis. Is the face amount. Okay. Now year 1, year 2, we're still at 0. Year 3, we're at 960. Now let's go and tell this person. Let's give him a decent age. Since I said in this illustration he's 37. Let's give him 30 years. So look how much he accumulated in 30 years. $61,161 that he can use to go towards something else. And I know some of us are impatient, so let's go back a little bit more. Okay. Maybe we're just living day by day, and if we just got that little that little bump, we can make a move. Okay, maybe we're saying, where's it going to come from? Hopefully you're putting back the money that you do get, assuming that you may get something back annually for income tax. Leverage that with this. They're looking at 5 years. That's still not that bad, right here. These are decent figures that they're projecting that you should receive within that time frame. I always like to go within a 30-year time period, especially if someone's in their 30s, maybe even their 40s, so they can have something to look forward to once it actually takes place. And this goes all the way out when we base it on the year. So you see, it just continues to grow, But yeah, person won't live to see that old, unfortunately, that age, unfortunately. But this is these are living benefits, guys, and it's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful rider to add onto any insurance policy, and I recommend that you give it to your financial advisor. You can schedule a consultation with me. I'd love to go over it with you and get you on the right track. Thank you for your time. Like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, family, please apply. Thank you for your time.